Hi there, welcome back to the 23rd video Learn Excel with Karpagam. In this video we will learn how to highlight weekends using conditional formatting. Let's get started. I have a sample data here ranging from 1st of July to 15th of July. What exactly I want here is I want Saturday and Sunday to be highlighted. I can hear that we can go to the fill and we can highlight it. Just because it's a 2 weeks data, we can do this. Just imagine a table wherein you have got 365 days, I mean to say a year or 2 year, 3 year data. How you can do this manually? Seriously, it's going to be a time killing activity. How can we do this? This is where conditional formatting comes to our help. Let's see how we can do this using conditional formatting. Let me go and choose the data, what is available to me, and Alt H L N N. This is the shortcut key to activate the conditional formatting new formatting rule dialog box, or you can go to home. From home, navigate through conditional formatting, pick new rule from this, go and click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. In the description, use a weekday formula. I have given the weekday formula link below in the description. Please refer that. Weekday formula, open the bracket, and which is the cell that I am looking for. My first active cell is C7. When I click on this, it goes for an absolute reference. I don't want it as absolute reference. I want it to be a mixed reference. When I say mixed reference, let me press F4 key thrice. You can see now the column is locked, which means whenever the cell keeps on moving, it goes and looks for the data starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. In absolute reference, it looks only the data from C7. That means 1st of July, and it will not look at any other data, comma. What is the return type I wanted? This also you can find in the same video. When you want to find out what exactly a return video is, you can see the return type what we have taken here is 1 to 7. 1 starts on Monday and ends on Sunday 7. So the return type what I have used here is 2. When you look into it, 0 to 6, it starts from Sunday to Saturday. Here we have used from Monday to Sunday. Let me go and choose 2, close the bracket, and what is that I'm giving the reference? I'm saying whenever the cell is greater than 5. Whenever the cell is greater than 5, highlight it. Go to format, pick the color whichever you are interested in. Okay. And now that you can see Saturdays and Sundays highlighted. You can do this for your entire data set. You may be asking, is there a possibility that we can do it for weekdays also? Very much we can do this. Let me go here. Alt H L N N, new rule. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Go here, equal to weekday. Open the bracket. What is my first cell? 1st of July. Lock the column, comma. What is the return type I have taken? 2. Close the bracket. Lesser than 5. Which means it goes and looks for the data which is less than 5, starting from 1, 2, 3 and 4. In fact, I should be giving it as 6. So it will start from 1 till 5, highlighted, leaving Saturday and Sunday. Choose whichever color you are interested in. Click OK. You can see the weekdays highlighted, leaving the Saturday and Sunday. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. See you soon.